All right, good early morning. Oh, apparently my watch thinks we're taking a walk. Okay, gotta get that off. But it's 5:40 in the morning, and we have our room service. Okay, there's a monkey out here.
Hand me my phone. Hand me my phone.
There's two of them.
Oh shit. Oh shit. Shut the door.
Oh my gosh. Look at them. Oh my gosh. Hold on, do we have... Give him this. Let's give it all of it, I guess. Oh, wait! Come back! Look!
Oh, there's more.
Look! Oh my gosh! It just took it from my hand!
Okay, this is awesome.
Take it!
Where'd the other one go? Hey! Oh, he's got a banana in his hand. Where's your friends at?
Oh my gosh!
Sarah.
Look, you want more?
He was gonna go.
Yeah, we left this open. He was about to walk in. Oh my gosh, look at them. Here, watermelon. Wait, can you get my picture?
Oh, he said no. Did you see?
He just made the most disgusting face when I tried to give him this watermelon. Hold on. Oh my gosh. They're just, holy crap. They're just all coming. Here, here.
Anything else?
Okay, well there goes all of our breakfast. One of them just ran away with a hash brown. They don't like watermelon. Oh, you want that? Okay, go ahead. Oh, there's another one. Oh my god. Look at this one. Oh my gosh.
Just monkeying around. Oh my god, that is so cute. He spit the egg out. That was gross.
All right. Hello, everybody. What do you want? You want a piece of bacon?
Oh, he threw something in the couch.
Oh, he wants the sausage. Oh my gosh.
Oh, so
My god. Their whole family is coming. You can come.
Does anyone
Yeah,
want
see,
some?
watch, try that, and they make the grossest face.
Does anyone want this?
Oh, he actually took it.
I guess some of them like it, and some of them do not. Okay, what do you want?
That one looks like an old man. Oh my gosh. Holy crap.
Sir? So that's how I noticed him. He was just hanging like that. And I was like, what the crap?
You're welcome. Can I pet? Oh, no, no pet.
I don't think they like bacon. I want bacon.
One, two, three. You can kind of see the rainbow. Oh, nope, it's gone. Darn it. There was a rainbow. Looking for a sloth.
Yeah.
There's a spider monkey.
Yeah, climbing down now.
That's so cool.
Coming
Ahora
toward
lo
us.
vimos, sí, allá. Ahí estaban en el lobby, estaban.
I think this is the school.
Is it our school? Or...
And then this.
The This is a branch of Walmart.
This
It's
down
called
is
Pali.
We are less than 2,000.
Okay, we arrived. Mia bought a poncho. I think I'm gonna be okay in just this. But yay!
With a rainforest. Where we can find at the nighttime that animal. Can you see next to the sign, next to the name? That's a tapir or a danta. That's how we call it. Here we have sour king. This thing over here, both are sour king. And yes, the flavor is really sour. Really, really sour.
Oh. Termite nest, and there was a snake here 2 days ago.
No, it's a termite nest.
This is the termite nest. 12 years ago, the cinder blocks were part of the trail. Now it's all rock because it got torn apart.
Got it? See? Déjame ayudar, sí. No?
Oh yeah, small snake. Right there, curled up. Oh man.
Can you point it out? Thank you.
Oh.
That's where it is.
Right. You want a peek?
A snake.
There is a pea viper right here.
Sure. Oh, that's a pit viper?
It's a pea viper.
All right, it's not a baby, but it's awake because it's apparently moving its tongue. Also, it is poisonous. Do you feel scared?
It's a really bad
Okay,
idea.
so he said that if you don't
Yeah.
bother it, it won't bother you.
Yeah, a lot of people think, okay, after
It'll
the
just
beat,
stay there all day.
make a tourniquet. It's really bad. Let me get closer. Excuse me, a snake. There is another snake. Can you see it? It's right here. Right there.
I see it now.
No? On the leaf. I'm gonna use it twice again. One more time. Can you see it now?
The baby?
It's a baby. Yeah, there is a baby viper. Come, here.
Yes. Wow.
Can you see it?
Yeah, I see it in this
It looks
image.
gray and white.
Okay, we're going down to see the waterfall. I believe it's 234 steps.
Come on, do it again.
Okay, so normally this is blue, but due to the rain, it makes it muddy. So it's obviously not blue, but it's still gorgeous. We made it! Oh my gosh, it's misting. It's so big. So cool. All right, now all the steps we climbed down to see the waterfall, we have to climb right back up.
Brown lagoon, exactly.
Okay, so here's what it looks like typically without rain.
That's actually the lagoon.
Oh, this is the lagoon?
No, that's the waterfall.
Oh,
Lagoon.
okay. There's a wild turkey up here.
Yeah, turkey, but not the wild turkey.
Oh, turkey, not a wild turkey.
Great Curacao. That's the name of the turkey. But
I don't see it yet. All right, we are at the end. This?
I don't know what that is actually.
Coffee liquor. And it has a toucan on this side.
That's adorable.
Okay, blackberry juice. I'm really good.
That's good.
Ah, the door just went open, but there was a cat. You can kind of see it, I think. Okay, now I got guava juice. Barbecue ribs for lunch, greens, plantain, rice, and beans. The ribs are amazing. Okay, Costa Rican ice cream. I'll show you. So here's where we ate lunch. Very good. And then I got these for Jesse. I don't know if they're pandas or, well, I guess pandas are bears. Duh. So panda bears. Here's the kitty. As if I've never seen one before.
But I surf it.
Yeah, there's one. Where did it go?
do you like it, friends?
There, there's a monkey.
Is it black?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
My eyes are horrible, but I see something.
There's a slot right. Hold on, I'm looking at the wrong area now.
There is a skinny, well, there is a lot of skinny trees,
Where did it go?
but behind the
Okay, well, I
building there
was
is one skinny tree and the
Oh, that's so cool. Oh my god.
There's a skinny tree. You can see it.
yeah, they
kinda
make a
moving
whistle,
around at the top left.
like whistle. That's to call females. They do like
It's not like there's these skinny trees, but it's kind of
something like that to avoid the predators, right? And come back up. They're really smart. They know. They know. Also lizards and small mammals in their nest, like baby birds. But it's an opportunist. That's how you say, right?